YouTube. So I'm going to try a test tonight. I'm not sure of the results yet, so I figured I would take you guys along for the ride. I've been watching a bunch of videos and I want to see what the recovery speed and iron bias settings do to the depth. So it's going to be an air test to start out with. Tomorrow I'm going hunting, so I just want to see what the differences would be. So I'm going to do a test with a dime and then a $50. So I'm going to crank the iron bias and recovery up. So right now the iron is at 3 and the recovery is at 3. So we'll test it out with an air test and then drop them down as low as they can go and see the differences. Alright, this is going to be the first test here. This is with iron bias at 3 and recovery speed at 3. We'll start with the dime. Let's see what that does. So it's gone. I get little beeps at 9 here and there with at 9. All right. Let's try the half silver half. It's gone at about 10.5. Little beeps at 10. Going at 10.5. All right, let me go change the settings. I'll be right back. All right, here we go. This is with recovery at 1. That's as low as it'll go. And irons at 0 on here. Let me go over some numbers. I wrote these down. So in recovery speed of the 600, 1 is equal to 2 on the 800. Recovery speed 2 on the 600 is equivalent to 4 on the 800. And 3 is equivalent to 6 on the 800. For iron bias, 0 is 0, obviously. 1 on the 600 is 2 on the 800. 2 on the 600 is 4 on the 800. And 3 on the 600 is 6 on the 800. As far as the settings I'm using for that test, I didn't talk about that at the beginning, but I'm just in Park 2, and sensitivity is at 20. It's really as high as I can go in my house. I noise canceled, which keeps it pretty quiet at 20, but there is a lot of EMI in the house. So right now, for recovery and iron, we're as low as they can go. And we'll see what happens here with the dime. So we're at the 11-inch mark. Still getting them here and there. So with the dime, it looks like we gained 2 inches by cutting the iron all the way down and the recovery all the way down. I'll try the half. Still little beeps at 13. So we actually gained, we actually gained 3 inches there. It was really cutting off at 10 on the half with them recovery and iron both at 3, and now we're up to 13 with the half. So I didn't know it made that big of a difference, but it does. So I guess you know, try and keep them as low as you can. I mean, if you're hunting in a lot of iron, you got to put that up, but just keep in mind you're losing depth for the more you put both of those up. We'll be doing some hunting tomorrow, so I'll try and get a video in. And the only other thing was these headphones again. You know, just trying to help anyone who has the 600. These headphones right here, the Micus SR71. Quiet. The SR71 Stealth headphones by Micus. Let's see if I can put it there. Yep. These are exactly the same headphones that come with the Equinox 800. So if you Google them, you can get a great deal, $49 a piece on these on eBay. Walmart, they're like $57. But I actually bought another pair and I paired them up together. Really, really great headphones. If you got any questions, let me know. Happy hunting.